is COVID-19.
Yeah, what is it?
A virus.
Oh, sige, show us. Wow, it's a virus.
I am the virus.
Yes.
IgG and IgM are fighting COVID-19.
So COVID-19,
Can make the body sick.
what's
What
next?
is COVID-19, Mommy?
It's dangerous and it makes people sick.
Huh?
Yes. Yes. Oh, press next. What happened to people with COVID-19? So, it makes people have what?
Have cough and cold
Yes.
and wheezing and sneezing. Achoo! And fever.
So, how to prevent COVID-19?
How many COVID-19s are outside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh my, there's a lot. What should you do? Number 1, can you read?
Avoid going out if not needed.
Yes. Can you press more? What's that?
Stay at home. Read books and play. Number 2. Clean your hands.
Yes, because your hands are
Dirty.
correct. Can you press more? How to clean your hands?
See, the virus can go away.
What do you need for the virus to go away? Wash hands. How long? How long to wash hands? 20 seconds with soap and water. Clean hands with alcohol or sanitizer.
Yes!
Next.
Number 3. Take a bath at least 2 times a day.
Yes.
How many COVID-19s are running?
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4
Wow.
are running.
Yes.
It's are running. Use clean them.
What number is it?
Healthy food.
Yes, what are the foods you need to eat?
Low food. Good low food. Grow food.
What's that?
5. Sleep at least 4 hours a day. 6. When mommy and daddy arrive from work, tell them to take a bath first. Mommy and daddy, take a bath first before you hug and kiss.
So always remind mommy and daddy, huh?
Yeah. We are family. Number 7.
Can you read?
Wear face mask. When going to school, do not touch the face. Number 8. When at school, always
Observe
observe
social
social distancing. Do not touch other people. No hugs and kisses.
Very good.
Number 9. Until there's no
Vaccine.
vaccine.
Yes.
Do not
Invite
friends at home. Please. Let's all fight COVID-19. Yeah!
Very good. Can you now fight COVID-19? Oh, see, do not touch your face.